Logitech Dual Motor G29 Gaming Racing Wheel. Experience your PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4 and select PC racing titles like never before with the advanced driving simulation and realism of G29 driving force racing wheel and pedals. Feel your tires on every turn and type of terrain, under oversteer drifting and more. Powerful dual motor force feedback realistically simulates force effects so you can respond with precision. Solid steel ball bearings in the wheel shaft. Stainless steel paddle shifters and pedals. Hand-stitched leather wheel cover. Leather wheel cover. G29 delivers the look, feel and durability of a real race car wheel. Helical transmission gears reduce noise and vibration. Anti-backlash keeps wheel and pedals tight. Hall effect sensor uses magnetic fields to sense the position of the wheel for steering precision. They're right at your fingertips. D-pad, buttons, paddle shifters, LED indicator lights tell you exactly when to shift. A 24-point selection dial and plus// buttons to fine-tune your driving preferences. Drive fearlessly knowing the wheel won't shift during aggressive maneuvers. The racing wheel mounts securely to your table or racing rig via built-in clamps or screw mounting points. With 900-degree lock-to-lock rotation, you can turn the wheel 2.5 times, the same as a race car wheel. And the steering wheel stripe lets you easily see which direction the wheel is pointing. Throttle, pressure-sensitive brake, and clutch pedals let you accelerate, brake and change gears with the feel of an actual car. For finer control, reposition the pedal faces for easy heel-toe maneuvers. Rubber feet and a retractable carpet grip system keep your pedals right where you put them. Lock in the right gear at the right time with our race car quality 6-speed manual shifter. Combine G29 driving force racing wheel with the driving force shifter for a complete rig, delivering an incredibly realistic racing experience. The driving force GT3 is just a toy in comparison to the G29. This is a proper simulator tool. I played hours of Project Cars and F1 2016 on my PS4. I noticed how easy it is to catch those slight overseer moments. With the gamepad, same PS4 games, or with my old driving force GT, PS3, I had to set up all cars to understeer a bit so I wouldn't lose the rear end on corner exits. With the G29 I get great feedback that allows me to set the cars up to be more neutral. In combination with a great throttle pedal modulation, my corner exit speeds are faster than ever. The brake pedal has great feeling. It is just like a real car, albeit not a race car, but how many normal people would have the leg strength for that? At the end of travel, it becomes hard, simulating the brake pads touching the discs. You can very easily go hard braking from high speeds and slightly pull it back as the car slows down so the wheels don't lock up. I am playing without any brake assists whatsoever and have full control. I brake with my left foot and agree with another comment that the brake/throttle are too close together for this kind of driving. But it would make no sense to right foot brake in F1 or Le Mans prototype when in real life the drivers use the left foot, as they have no foot clutch. It was tricky to find a good sitting position with the wheel stand pros column on the way, but like the other reviewer I moved the pedals slightly to the left and it feels great, even though I'm 5 feet 8 inches and my legs are aiming towards the center more than someone taller who could move the pedals further forward. The paddle shifters are sturdy enough and do what they're supposed to. The clicking sound doesn't bother me even though my speaker volumes are low, but I can see how some people could be annoyed. I don't have the stick shifter add-on and have never used the clutch, so my review doesn't cover them. My only negative comment is the clipping you get when the wheel simulates extreme situations, like driving over certain curves, which is a consequence of this not being an actual steering system linked to actual tires. Some calibration can help with that, lots of info on the internet, but I found that the default settings provide the best compromise, as clipping removal tends to reduce overall feedback under normal conditions. If you're a car person and a racing fan that enjoys simulation driving, you'll be happy with the G29. Thanks for watching guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.